Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use EdrawMind AI mind map and note. So first of all you need to install it in your device, then tap on the open button, then you need to agree and login experience now. So you have to log in. I'm just going to choose you can see you tap here. So it's really easier to log in with your Google account. So you make sure that your Google account is logged in your Gmail app. So I'm just going to tap here. So I already chose my Gmail account, so now it's processing now. Just need to wait. Okay, please choose your profession. So you just choose your profession. I'm just going to choose something. Okay, student, and next industry, or you can choose your industry. Like I'm just going to choose something. Okay, maybe article and open mind map. So new clip art and icons, they are added, so now you'll get icons here. Okay, got it. So here you can see this is the interface. So this app is, this version, desktop version is also available. So if you want to create something, then simply tap on the plus icon. So now you can create new file, new folder, important file, AI creation, AI one click map, AI poster, AI draw, and create from layout. So you can also get here a lot of layout you can choose, and go to community, create your template. You can create template. So I'm just going to choose AI one click map. Let's see. Please type here, please enter the topic first. I'm just going to tap trade. Okay, remaining 8.5. so start generating. So we'll see AI assistant is helping you to one click the new generating topic automatically applicable at least. So here you can see they give you the overall idea in detail, so you can give your specific topic as completed. So trade, like definitions, type of trade, importance of trade, challenge in trade, future of trade. So you can minimize it. So here you can see it's really nice. So if you tap here, then you can choose the color. Okay, you can choose color, you can add picture. So next of any storage. So then okay, I'm just going to select this, and you can also mark. This is 1 mark, 2 mark. It's really nice. uh, it's good presentation. You can choose the color and progress. You can also give here progress. You can choose face, portrait, arrow, star, symbol. So all the thing is available. It's from color clip art. You can get here the clip art icon you can choose, and also in general, like you can comment attachment. It's VIP, just you need to buy the subscription. So you can try, like whenever you just want to. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one. You just tap here to edit, and if you choose the plus, and you can get here the progress. You can give the things, or you can add the emoji. So it's really nice. Like you can see, it's you can export it after publishing, encryption. So this is the one thing. If you want to save it and download it, then tap here. You can see this is the download option. This is download option, and also this is the save mode. It will be in the draft. So it's saving now, and this is the download. You can see if you tap here. So you can export your file like PDF, and if you want to export in different file, then you need to subscribe or buy their premium subscription. So this is the one thing. And okay, and if you want to recent file, then file, this you created this one. If you want to create more, then you can see I poster and AI draw. Like okay, we want to create from multiple file, and AI one click generation. So I'll just choose this one. So I have, you'll get 500 creations. So let me check it. Okay. Okay, events, evening events, evening events, evening events. Okay, please enter the topic first. Evening events, poster design with buy ticket, something like this you can choose. I'm just randomly choose this one and start generating. So this will be the poster. Okay, so they will give you the things. Start AI on click generations. So they give you the overall mind mapping here. I don't know which thing I chose. Okay, let me check it. Okay, cancel or exit. If you click here, AI poster. Okay, AI draw, AI poster, display of 5 layers, trade not trade. You need to input your, okay, if you want to choose this one, you can create file. There are a lot of things, so you can try this way. You can use this application, it's really nice. If you want to subscribe their premium version, then you can get here, and you will see here Android 6 months and desktop web version. You need to desktop web Android lifetime, so you need to spend $100, more than $120. So it's really nice. You will also get it on desktop, so you can buy the package according to you. And poster, this is poster. Import local file, create poster, create from template. You'll get a different template. To kill bird, little princess, I'm just going to choose, so you can get here the different. So there are a lot of things here, right? So I'm just going to choose this one. So it's, you need to wait and you have to give the input. All the input here is really easy. And also down, then tap here the download option, then it will be downloaded. So you can see a really nice, you can choose categories like education, reading, and create poster, and one click. So you can try it, but if you want to get all the feature, you need to be subscribed this. You can draw here, like you can see there are a lot of options here: work and study, summary, media article, all the feature available here. Gallery, most like recent released. So you can search here things. So you can see this is a recent release. You will see here. So you can see people, how people create it. It's the free version. So how people create this thing. So I hope this video is helpful. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.